Can you believe these stunning earrings were made from organza fabric? I know you won't believe it. Stick with me and I will show you exactly how to make them step by step. Let's go into the tutorial. Welcome back. So these are the materials we'll be using for it: organza fabric, our scissors, then a round circle shape to get our shape, then thread and your gum stick, then earring, any earring hook, maybe the one you're not using, or you can get a new earring that has this kind of shape, then your needle that has thread, and your chalk. Okay, so let's go in. Firstly, you're going to get that your shape, that your round shape, that round shape measurements that you want to use. You can look for any round shape measurement with this kind of big shape like this. You can use anything that has this kind of round shape. Then you place it on the organza fabric and trace it out this way, just this way. I'm tracing it out. Can you see? You just trace it out like a circle shape. You're going to trace it out like a circle shape this way. So once you're done with that, you head to cut out this particular shape. Okay, yeah, you carefully follow the chalk that you mark and cut the shape out. Carefully do that. No rushing. No rushing. This will not take you, it will not take you much time to finish making it. You need to have patience. So this is the shape. This particular shape, you're going to cut it into 5. You're going to cut it like this, 5 pieces. That's how you're going to do it. You cut that shape like that, 5 pieces. So this is the 5 pieces that I've cut out. That's 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, and this is 5. So total of 5 pieces. That is what you'll be needing for this particular earring design. Then when you're done doing that, you get your needle that has thread in it. Yeah, you get it. Then fold that fabric into 2 this way and start using that your needle to make gathers at the tip side. Just watch it the way I'm doing it. It's self-explanatory without me even doing voice notes. When watching the video, you will understand what I did here. So get that your thread, that your needle that has thread, then make a gathers at the tip of this circle that you folded into 2. That is what I'm doing here. Your needle, fold the circle into 2, make a gathers at the tip, just this way. I'm doing it. Okay, so once you're done with that, this is the first circle. We're done with the first circle, and this is the shape that we have. This is the shape we have. Yeah, this is the shape. So you get the second circle again and fold it into 2 this way. You fold it into 2 this way, and you still make that same gathers at the tip there with that same needle and thread that you use for the first one. Right? This is for the second one. That's how you do it for the third one. That's how you do it for the fourth one. That's how you do it for the 5th one. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. This is how you're going to do it till you get to the 5th one. Okay, just watch it. once you're done fixing all the 5 circles this way, you still take that same needle and thread, you run it through that circle again. You're going to run the gathers again through those circles again. You're going to knot those areas. You're going to knot it very tight. It's going to be very tight. You go ahead to sew again round those circle, and once you are done doing that, this is what we have. You make a knot, a tight knot this way to secure it. You're going to make a tight knot this way to secure what you've sewn there, and we are gradually getting to the end of this. Just make the knot to firm it. So at this point, if you can handle low heat iron, you can place the low heat iron on it to flatten it. But if you know you cannot, please leave it this way. Leave it this way, you still get the beautiful outcome of that particular earring. Okay, so leave it this way, and this is it after giving it a tight knot. Now you get your candle, you get your gum stick, you get your earring hook. You can use your old one. This one, I've used my old one, and you're good to go. But if you don't have old one, you can use, you get anyone in the market, just 500 naira, you get it. The one that has something like this, you get it. Okay, so what you do, you go ahead to burn your gum stick. You burn it. After burning it, you place it this way. Place the gum this way. You place the gum this way, then take that earring hook. Take that earring hook and you place it on it this way. Just open one side of the circles. Just open one side, face the pin that place, so you can easily hook it to your ear. Okay, and this is it. This is the final look of our beautiful trending organza earring. Okay, you can make yours bigger than this, you can reduce it. So this is the final look. I made like four pieces of it. Yes, I make like 4 pairs, like 1 2 3 4. I make like 4 pairs. If I still see more organza, I will still make more. Okay, so my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and share this video for others to benefit. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.